In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app. Code Caffeine, keep screen on. This one. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in the pop-up. Click on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and then go into Tab menu. Now use this pen at the bottom left corner. Scroll. Find your new shortcut. Hold it and drag it to the current ones to place it in your menu. Then click on the back button and tap on your new shortcut. As you can see, after that, my shortcut was successfully turned on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!